Hey everyone, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to get rid of recurring buys on Coinbase. So this is going to be particularly useful for individuals who have maybe set up recurring buys on Coinbase, but then no longer want to actually have those recurring buys. So in my case, I have weekly and monthly buys, but in order to do this, we're actually going to go ahead and access our Coinbase app first. There's not a lot of steps, guys, so be sure to stick around all the way to the end in order to learn how to do this. Now, once we access our Coinbase app, the way to actually go ahead and get rid of those recurring buys is that on the bottom hand side here, you're going to see this icon. So go ahead and click on this icon, which looks like a torn piece of paper. And then you're going to see your list of transactions. So here we see recurring buys, and then we have limit orders. We're going to go ahead and click on recurring buys. And then once you're on this page here, you're going to see a list of your recurring buys. So we have Ethereum going on and we have Bitcoin going on. We're going to go ahead and click on our Ethereum and then go ahead and click on cancel recurring purchase. So that right there, you just have to change the asset that you have a recurring buy for. If you want to cancel your Bitcoin recurring purchase, just click on cancel recurring purchase. So that is how to get rid of recurring buys on Coinbase. If you guys know of a better, easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.